Are you a Microsoft Pro enthusiast pero medyo namamahalan kayo sa price nila? Try nyo tong Chewy UBook X. This is also a laptop and detachable din ang kanyang keyboard, so pwede maging laptop or a tablet. Ang processor nito is an i5Y processor. Ngayon, yung mga Y processor is actually mas mahaba ang battery duration nila compared sa Ultrabook dahil ang base boost nito is only 1 GHz. But don't worry, kasi ang turbo boost naman nito is 4 GHz. And ang memory nito is already at 12 GB. Storage is 512 SSD and ang aspect resolution nito is 16:10. Mas mataas pa to sa Full HD. But it is not an Android, ang operating system nito is Windows. Portability, actually magaan siya kasi ang kanyang mga processors or everything is already on this tablet itself. And ang kanyang keyboard, madaling ikabit dahil ito'y namamagnet. Pero ang kanyang presyo ay hindi katulad ng Surface Pro. This is only for 23,000.